If you're still writing Google Ads headlines manually, then you'll be wasting a lot of money in 2026. And this is because Google now requires that you provide 15 different headlines and 4 descriptions for every single advert that you want to run. Writing 60 unique headlines is just tiring. So in this video, I want to show you a simple workflow where you can use AI to create an ad that actually converts. I'll show you how to use Google Gemini and ChatGPT to spy on your competitors, to write high CTR copy and paste it directly into Google Ads so that you get higher score, and then you can get better cost per click and also get better results. So the first thing we want to do is that we don't want to guess, we actually want to steal ethically from our competitors. So we want to know exactly what is working. So what do we do as professionals that we are? We want to use AI to help us. So I want you to copy this prompt that you see now and take it to ChatGPT or to Gemini. So this is the first prompt, and the prompt simply says, act like a senior PPC expert, and I'm selling a product or service. So you just want to replace your product and service here. So in my case, let's say I'm selling an acne soap, and you want to select your location. So let's say I'm selecting Nigeria or the USA or wherever you are watching from. So we basically want you to list the top 5 competitors in the niche and write down the exact headline they are likely using in their Google search ads based on common industry pain points. So now we also want to come to the Gemini Thinking with Pro. All right. So if you have access, you want to select Thinking with Pro and then you submit. So what it's going to do is that it's going to help you find the top selling ads, the 5 competitors who are in this niche, who are selling something similar, and why their ads are doing well. So it's going to extract the headlines that they are using directly in their Google Ads and give us a format that we can use to write our own Google Ads. For instance, you can see these are the top 5. All right. So you can also go and do your own manual check to see if this list is correct. But as you can see, it also gives us what we are actually looking for. So this is the first prompt that we want. We want to operate from a position of knowledge, expertise. So we want to use what is already working, and we've gotten 5. As you can see, these headlines, these are not the kind of headlines that you would ordinarily write on your own. After this, we want to also give it another prompt. Now, this other prompt is for it to help us write 15 Google headlines. Maximum character is 30 characters each for the product. Our case is going to be acne soap or acne removal soap. All right, so you should break it down into 3 categories. Number 1, benefit focused. Number 2, trust focused. And number 3, urgency focused. All right, so again, we want to go back to the Thinking with 3 Pro, and then you click on submit again. So what it's going to do is that it's going to use the information it has to write us 15 properly targeted headlines, 15 that we can now just copy and put directly in our Google Ads. So as you can see, it has done exactly what we wanted. For benefit focused, it gave us 5. For trust focused, it also gave us 5. And for urgency focused, it also gave us 5. So we now have 15 headlines that we can use that we know actually works, and we can use them directly on our Google Ads. Last but not the least, we also want to get 4 distinct descriptions. So we come back and we give it this final prompt and we say write 4 distinct Google Ads description. Maximum character is 90. It should include a clear call to action in 2 of them and social proof in the other 2. And then we say go. And again, it's going to generate all the information we need. In this case, descriptions that are no more than 90 characters, but are also very targeted. So they will incorporate social proof and then they will also incorporate a clear call to action. So here we have it: pay on delivery available nationwide, achieve glass skin in 7 days, order now, stop hiding your face. As you can see, this is actually very good. Get the original acne soap for, you put the price, blah blah blah. And this one, social proof: join 5,000 Nigerians who cure stubborn acne rated. See, this is actually very, very good. Once you have this down, you now want to go to your Google Ads directly. So now we are in the Google Ads, and what we have to do is we want to get the 15 headlines that we've created right here, and then we want to replace it. We want to come here, and then we want to replace them right here. So I want you to notice how our ad strength will significantly improve because we are using the right system. We are getting what already works and what gives Google the power to properly optimize our campaigns. After all the prompt, we've gotten 15 properly optimized headlines, and also we got 4 descriptions, 4 properly written descriptions here, and also we got site links, and we also had call outs. So all these things we generated using just simple prompt with Gemini or ChatGPT. But you can also see that the ad strength has jumped. I just have to include some things here to take it even higher. But this already shows you that we are doing something correct. So if you come to the ad relevance score, if you are going to run Google ads or search ads, then this score is actually very important because you need to provide Google with the relevant information so that they can find the relevant audience for you. So this is how you can use Gemini or ChatGPT to supercharge your Google ads. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe.